Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Express Fairway Freight LLC. This is Shaista with you with a new video and a new topic. Today we will discuss about importer and exporter code renewal. For renewal of importer and exporter code, you have to log on to Dubai Trade portal, which is www.dubaitrade.ae. On the right top you find Service Center option. Click on Service Center. Then click on Dubai Customs and select Request Business Registration. New page will be open and you can see Renew option. Click on Renew and enter your business code. Then fill all the required details and submit request. And wait for approval. You will receive a approval mail on your registered email address. After receiving approval mail, pay renewal fee and your importer and exporter code will be renewed. We at Express Fairway Freight are providing this service in a seamless manner. I hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like this video, share and subscribe our channel to get informative video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. I will leave our contact details in the description box. Thank you.